What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are here at Hellhorse Performance. If you caught the last video, you've seen that we took all of the old stuff off, all that off, and we put all new on. Now, I went over this in the last video, but I will kind of update you guys. We got all new charge pipe, all new cold piping. We got new 4-to-1 headers. We got new down pipes. Pretty much, only thing left on the system right now is the intercooler, turbos, blow-off valve, and wastegates. Everything else has been changed out. So Daryl has been dialing in the tune, and he is ready to make some little baby pulls on the dyno, so we're gonna get that going.
What did I tell you? What did I tell you?
That was only 6,000, baby.
What did I tell you?
Woo!
It's gonna be 650, baby.
If you want an accurate number, that was at 6 pounds.
6 pounds. 6 pounds did 622. I called gate pressure full revved out to 650. I think we're gonna see that. Yeah, we got another 2,000 RPM to go. We got another 2,000 RPM to go. We're gonna see 650. It's crazy.
That new stuff,
It's flowing.
it's flowing, baby. Well, I can hear it.
620 to 630 was about what I did with the old kit at 6.5 pounds all the way to Redline. You've already made that at 6,000. Just to, you know, paint the picture there.
Now?
Uh-oh. 631 though. 575. All right, so he's gonna need a tune revision, looks like. That's more better, 650. A little better? Yeah. 650. Woo! I told you 650.
6 pounds, baby.
6 pounds, 650. 590 torque. Wow. 650, I called it. Somebody owes me some money. 590 pound-feet of torque. This is basically what was going on if you've seen the other couple pulls. So they were hitting like a spark source limiter. Took a second for them to find it, but you know, that's why we're here on the dyno. That's why Ken's on the dyno, is to figure this out. And they did. That's just part of the tuning process. Dynos are tuning tools.
All right, guys. Yeah, I got that. You see, I got my hat off. I've been in here. Yeah, I'm not used to it. Well, the reason I'm doing the dyno pull is to let you know. Jeff is, how tall are you, Jeff?
6'6".
He's 6'6", and I'm 5'8", and this seat is in a fixed position for me, so he can't be in the car. So this is my first time actually operating a car on a dyno. A little nerve-wracking, not gonna lie, but the car, to let you guys know, just some tuning stuff that had to be ironed out right there, but looks like he's getting it dialed in. And right now we are at 650 real horsepower, 6 pounds of boost, but it's looking good, guys. I'm very, very impressed. This kit is flowing, and you can tell it. Last time, if you go back to my old dyno footage, last time we were on the dyno with the old kit, this thing put down 634 at 7, I think 7.5. At 6 pounds of boost, we are putting down 650. That's moving, guys. So very, very impressed with the Hellhorse Performance Twin Turbo Kit. And this is Hellhorse Performance actual 100% his Twin Turbo Kit. And I gotta say, I'm impressed, guys. The fitment, as you've seen in the last video, the fitment, the quality. And now you're looking at some good horsepower numbers on 93. So very impressive. But guys, we'll catch you here in a minute. Go send this log to Daryl, let him look at it, see what he thinks, and then we'll go from there.
impressive. Really impressive for 8.5 pounds. You're gonna hit 800 tonight, so. Spicy.
Yeah, let's let Daryl look at the log, guys, and let's go from there. I don't know how long this video is going to be. This is an exciting video, guys. This is actually what we was wanting to do when we first set out. Now with the new revised kit, we're going to do this.
Yeah,
this is insane. That's 8 pounds of. I watched the boost controller in here, and I was seeing between 7.8, 8.2 the whole run. So that's crazy.
It is, honestly. That's impressive.
Keep in mind, guys, last video we did with the car on the dyno, 720 at 10.5 pounds of boost.
With the old kit.
With the old kit.
Yeah.
That just shows you the flow with this new kit. And how
2 PSI less, and yeah.
Yeah. And we're right there. It's crazy.
Yeah.
And the car looks much happier.
It does. This thing's gonna fly down the track. .60 horsepower.
All right, so it's the next day. The last pull last night, we hit 763 horsepower on 11 pounds. The previous pull to that was 8 pounds of boost, and we hit 704 horsepower. The difference is, on the 8 pounds, we were running 18.5 degrees of timing. On the 11 pounds, we were running 15 degrees of timing. We ran into an octane limit. I was actually worried about this because on the way down here, I stopped at a gas station, got some fuel, and the car really did not like it. So when I got here, I topped off with some Shell 93, put about 4 ounces of butane in the car that I had left, and we made some partial pulls, as you see in the video, to make sure everything was gonna go good before we went wide open throttle. Everything did great. When we got to 11 PSI, is where we seen it rear its ugly face again. So we went to the station, we got some more 93, just to see if we can get the octane up where it likes it, so we can get a good pull on 11 pounds for you guys. But as you guys know, when we go to the drag strip, that's what really matters. Anyway, guys, we're gonna go ahead and make another hit on the dyno and see what it does, and then go from there. But man, I'm really enjoying the car. Daryl from Wengerd Performance Tuning is amazing with this car, and the new kit, I can't speak highly enough of the fitment and the quality of everything. And one thing I do want to talk about really quick is, if you notice on my last dyno video, I had around 10 pounds of boost, close to that. Even at the drag strip, I kept running into this breakup on top RPM. We thought it might have been valve float. And anyway, with the new kit, we hit 11 pounds last night, didn't have none of those issues. 0 issues hitting 11 pounds, so that is fixed with the new kit. Another bonus of the new design with the kit. But anyway, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get a pull in this car, and we're gonna see if we can get the octane up to get another pull. But honestly, I'm happy with 763 raw horsepower on 11 pounds of boost and 704 on 8 pounds of boost. That for me is well enough, but we're gonna see what we can do. All right, guys, so anyway, we're going to make maybe 1 or 2 more pulls, and that's gonna be it. And then it is what it is. But as you know, when we get to the drag strip, that's what matters to me, the drag strip. So we are gonna hit the drag strip and see what we can do in this thing, and then we will go E85 eventually. But really quick, a lot of people would ask me, when am I getting the fuel? When am I getting the fuel? Guys, I've got a lot of people. The sun is bright out here. I've gotten a lot of people contact me since I've been doing a 93 octane content with this kit and everything, saying thank you, because they don't have E85 in their area. So they want to know what they can do with some 93, with some fuel added, to make sure that they're running some good 93, and how the car performs. And I'm trying to show everybody, you know, Xander is showing what the car can do on E85. And yes, we are going E85, but...
18 pounds, right? 18 pounds?
No.
We'll do do 18 pounds.
No.
Don't worry about it.
I got it.
Stay out there.
But anyway, guys, basically what I'm getting to is I want to make sure there's not a lot of people out there on 983 showing you guys what they can do. They go to E85, they go balls to the wall, and that's what I want to do. However, I want to show you guys what it can do. If you ain't got E85 in your area, you're limited. So I want to show you guys what you can do safely. And like I said, Daryl is looking at the logs, everything like that. And I told him, let me know what you want to do. And he's going to keep it safe. He's not going to let anything happen to this engine. He's going to make sure that we are good to go. But I can't wait till we get to the drag strip and we fine tune the tuning on the drag strip, because I've hit the dyno and gotten tuned, and then when you go to the drag strip, the tune gets adjusted, the car gets even faster than it was when it rolled off the dyno, and that's what I'm looking forward to. Anyway, guys, we're gonna make another 1 or 2 hits maybe and see what we can do, and then that's gonna be it. So this was the first pull. We were trying to get the fuel mixed in, did a pull, see how it looked. The red was today, and we're smoothing out. The blue was last night, but however, if you look right here, we're down on boost. See, there's a difference in our boost between today and last night. So, but as you can see, we got 755 at roughly 10 pounds. I mean, that's 10 pounds, we call it 10 and 11. So 755 on 10 pounds, 763 on 11 pounds. All right, guys, so 763 is going to be the number. The octane is just not there to do it. We was hoping to get it there, but didn't get it there. Not a big deal. Anyway, guys, the car is doing extremely well. Extremely happy with the kit. Extremely happy with Daryl, with Wengerd Performance tune on the car. On 8 pounds of boost, we made 704 real horsepower. The timing was great when we bumped it up, the boost up. We got a gain in power, 763. However, the timing dropped. It pulled a little timing. It wasn't happy with octane. We try to resolve that, but you know, when you're dealing with 93, this is what you deal with. That's why you got to have a safe tune in the car that can pull timing if it needs to. Now, the timing wasn't getting pulled crazy, but it was just enough where you didn't get the optimal horsepower that you would probably want to see. But at the same time, 11 pounds of boost, 763, and that one we did today was 755 on 10 pounds of boost. So rough to say, the car's moving. Car's gonna move. I'm very happy with it. But anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. I got to get home. I've got a 10-hour drive in this thing, and yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you next time. What is going on here?
What was that?
All right, what is going on, everyone? All right, so on the last pull last night, we did 763 horsepower on 11 psi, but we only had 15 degrees of timing.
Hi, my name's Ken, and I need to redo my intro because I'm getting fucked up right now.
Intro's already done.
Oh.
So now that goes in the bloopers. All right, it's next day. Last night on the last pull, we did 763 real world horse. All right, so last night, all right, this is next day. All right, so it's next day. Last night we ended the run. What?
Don't stutter. How many times do you say 763 real horsepower? Hi, my name's Ken. 760, 700, 700, 700.
Okay, let's do this. One take.
One take.
We can get this done.
We're gonna have a whole blooper video.
No.